All right. So I'm really out of room today. I have 2 batch hatching today, and so it's a really tough decision. I was planning on keeping most of these pullets, but it's time to let it go. These comes from a good bloodline. The mom is a very good bloodline. The dad is my 4-pound F1 rooster. He's right here over here. This is him right here. All right. So price is 100. It's the lowest I will go, and I will not go. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your time negotiating. It's as low as it will go. It's only for California. I'm not gonna ship. It's just $100. So this. The mom, just for reference, the mom is it's a Blackjack hen. Comes from the Blackjack line. Dad has been top notch from Georgia, retired, and here the uncles are performing well. So it doesn't get any better for $100, and for a Thai project to bring down the size with style, it doesn't get any better. They are top spin. So if you guys like, let me know. Let me know, and then I will get better pictures individually. Anything weight, of course, the weight and all that. If you guys just let me know which one, and then I will. Anyways, I will get back to you guys and work something out. All right. Just another to repeat. It's only for California. Must pick up.